Today we're making bacon apple cheddar stuffed biscuits.
Okay, so first you have to get your bacon lined up like this in a pan. We're gonna bake this bacon while we get our apples ready. This is thin cut bacon, and I know there's a lot of fat in there, but we're gonna need that fat a little bit later to cook the apples in. You're in the South now, so your vegan diet isn't gonna last long once you get that pulled pork and bacon smell all up in there, because, all right, next you're gonna take all of that delicious crispy bacon and your knife and just chop that up. It doesn't need to be really fine, just needs to be in pieces. If it's crispy enough, you can crumble it with your hands. And for pieces that may have been a little overdone, guess who gets the benefit? Okay, what we got in this pot is 2 tablespoons of that bacon grease and 2 tablespoons of butter. Over here, we've got a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and we've got our chopped apples. Yes, I know that's not a uniform chop. It's who I am as a person. Don't judge me. So what we've got right here is a butter bacon spa for those apples that we did not chop uniformly, and we're just going to stir them around until they get a little bit wilted. Then we're going to add the brown sugar because we don't want to candy the apples. We just want the brown sugar to sweeten everything. Did I put a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon in there? Yes, I did. What happened to all those non-uniform pieces of apple? Well, as apples cook, they break down. So in a way, it kind of didn't matter. And now we're going to throw in our brown sugar. Here it comes. The next thing you need is some flaky jumbo biscuits. These can be any brand. I picked up Great Value, but these would be equivalent to the Pillsbury Grand's biscuits. Now it's assembly time. Get your biscuits, your cheddar cheese, your bacon, and your apples, and 1 well-sprayed muffin tin. The big muffins, not the little muffins, because these babies are going to flow out over the edges. That is also why the whole pan needs to be sprayed. Take one of the biscuits and mush it down in there like that. You're going to need to flatten it a little bit. Once you have all your biscuits properly mushed, then you have to set about filling them. Don't judge me on my mushing. You mush your way, I'll mush mine. Make sure you preheat your oven to 350 or whatever temperature you're told to do so on the biscuit can. Now you're going to put a spoonful of bacon in each one of the cups. Disclaimer, this might be more than a spoonful, but that's how I like my bacon. Another spoonful of apples just to fill up the cup. And cover each one with a pillow of shredded cheddar cheese. I like to use sharp cheddar cheese, but if you don't like the really sharp taste, then you can use mild cheddar cheese. These are going in that 350-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes. There you have it. Bacon, apple, cheddar stuffed biscuits. Enjoy.